Take in the incredible views of Table Rock and the Rogue Valley, from this meticulously well taken care of home, located in Eagle Ridge Subdivision. With 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 luxurious bathrooms, spread across 1,900 square feet with 9 ceilings. The open floor plan, vaulted living room, and natural light creates a comfortable and cheerful environment, while the warm gas fireplace, built-in storage and granite countertops throughout bring the luxury. The sunsets from the covered front deck are breathtaking. The oversized garage provides ample storage for all your needs or hobbies, plus RV parking. The low-maintenance landscaped and irrigated yard provides a serene backdrop for outdoor enjoyment, and is fully fenced. Come view it today.